Kezia from KezziesCorner and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Kezia. I'm so happy that you found my channel, and if you like what you see, then I hope you get to join me and my lovely subscribers and join our little corner. And if you don't want to miss a video of mine, then simply press the notification bell, which will notify you every single time I post a video. Today's video is a Halloween makeup tutorial. I even put up my pumpkin up back there and my Boo Halloween ghost. I don't know, can you see it?
It's like there, okay? Just saying.
Today's video, like I said, is a Halloween makeup tutorial, and it's of the Queen of Bleeding Hearts from Alice in Wonderland. You don't know how to do these things, so it's something very simple. I'm sorry if you don't like this, but it's for those people who need a quick and an easy makeup tutorial for Halloween. And for like the Queen of Bleeding Hearts, you could wear a crown. Now, I did not have any crowns, so I just wore this hairband right here. And you can wear like a black dress or a black crop top with like a black skirt or something. And yeah, maybe like a crown would be cool, but I didn't have one, so this is what we're gonna work with. Okay, so if you would like to see how I created this look, then keep on watching, and if you like my video, then give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I hope you like the tutorial, and I'm so sorry if this is not obviously the most epic Halloween makeup tutorial ever, but as I said,
I'm really not good at these things. I hope to be one day, but not for now.
Okay, so I hope you like this. Bye.
Okay, so let's begin. Besides dancing a little, we're first going to be starting our makeup look by using the NYX Angel Veil Primer and just applying that all over our faces. For foundation today, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Foundation Stick. I just apply this all over my face, and then I'm just going to blend it out using my beauty blender. I just love this foundation. I think it just offers such full coverage and just blends out so nicely onto your skin and just lasts long as well. For concealer today, I'm using the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer, and I'm just concealing under my eyes, on my nose, and also on my chin. And again, I'm going to be blending this out using my beauty blender. I'm going to be baking my concealer under my eyes with my Rimmel Match Perfection Silky Loose Face Powder, and I'm also going to be using the Rimmel Insta Duo Contour Stick to contour. And I'm just going to be applying the dark shade on the hollows of my cheek and on my forehead and on my nose. But I'm also going to be using the lighter shade to go in between those two lines I created on my nose. And just blending again everything with my beauty blender. And I'm also going to be baking again with the Rimmel Match Perfection Silky Loose Face Powder underneath the contour line that I created. For my brows, I am actually using the Rimmel Brow This Way Soft Powder. I just wanted you know, my brows to be quite dark, I guess, for this look, and yeah, I wanted them to pop, and I think that this product really does it, and it's also a shade slightly darker than what I actually need. And now I'm just going to fluff away all the baking powder that we used, and you know, not obviously baking powder, but you know, just fluff away the powder that we applied to bake underneath my eyes. And then I also carved out my eyebrows again using the Collection concealer. To set my brows, I'm using my Max Factor Natural Brow Gel, and for bronzer, I am using the Sleek Face Contour Stick. I'm just taking the bronzer shade, and I'm just bronzing my face and my forehead as well, and also my nose. I wanted to contour my nose today. I'm just going to be using the highlight shade just to highlight my nose as well. Yeah. For my eyes, today I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette, and I'm using the red ochre shade applied with the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush all over my crease. I want this messy, so this is not going to be like a precise look, which is going to be perfection. Well, I never really do perfection shades, perfection looks, but yeah, I just want it all over the place. And now I'm taking on a flat brush the shade Love Letter, and just applying that using my Zoeva Luxe Definer brush, and I'm just placing it all over my base. Again, this does not need to be you know, precise. It needs to be messy. And now I'm going to be taking the shade Venetian Red, and again applying this with the same brush I used before, just applying it all over where I applied the previous shade. And now I'm just going to be basically blending the shades together. And I'm also going to be applying the red ochre shade underneath. Now taking the shade Primavera, I'm just highlighting my inner corner. And I'm just using the Pixi and Weylie collaboration Black Liner Duo, and just applying my eyeliner. I just wanted to do a thick eyeliner, cat eye, and also try tight lining with the other side. And then I use the Pixi Extra Eye Bright Liner for my waterline. For lashes, I use the Roses and Thorns from Eylure and apply the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. Now, I use the BH Liquid Lipstick in the shade Glory to create the fake tears from the Bleeding Queen of Hearts from Alice in Wonderland and just apply them underneath my waterline and just apply them with a eyeliner brush and apply them in a zigzag form. And then I also use the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Mary Jo, and I just intensify those lines I created because I just wanted to intensify the red. And then I also use the MUA Lip Switch Matte Shine Duo to, and I use the shine side basically to make it seem like the tears were kind of, wet. And then I applied my lip liner, Mary Jo, and I lined my lips. And then I also filled them in with the BH Liquid Lipstick in the shade Glory. Then I also took the shade Primavera from the Modern Renaissance palette and I just patted it onto my lips. And then I also used the MUA Lip Switch Matte Shine Duo to, and I used the shine side obviously. And I just made my lips look glossy and more plump, I guess, plumped up. And then I'm going to be taking the Sleek Face Contour palette basically, and I use the highlight shade. And those were all the products I used for the Queen of Bleeding Hearts Halloween makeup tutorial. I actually just found the headband because I don't have a crown, but if you just wear a crown and maybe a black skirt and a black top or a black dress, I think that would look like a cute outfit. I'm so sorry that this is not the best Halloween makeup tutorial, but I hope you like it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more then press subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys! Happy Halloween!